Hi all, it is me, Princess P, the real Princey. Welcome to
These kids have
another
been singing
video.
Christmas song from last night, eh?
Really? They're well in the Christmas area.
Oh yeah, they're happy. They're happy. I'm getting ready for Christmas, guys. Crystal did not know I was recording.
Oh.
Don't worry, she doesn't want to be captured.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
There you go. From the voice of Crystal. Merry Christmas. So, my Christmas week came. Remember when I said it wasn't coming? Well, I love the Lord. He heard my cry. And on Monday it showed up. Now, the problem is I haven't had a chance to test and prep the wig. So I put it on yesterday, just kind of seeing what it would look like if I would want to wear it. One of them are a hell no, can't go. And the next one is, okay, let's try to work with you. Now that one, I can't just get these wigs and put them on my head. It just doesn't work. I have to wash them. So I washed it late this morning, like early this morning, I should say. What was that, 5 o'clock this morning? And it's been drying, air drying, because that's how I like to do my wigs. But it's not fully dry yet. And it's supposed to be straight. So, let's see. This is her. And I'm so stupid because I tried her on and I should have took a video of her out the bag because the hair is nice. And it was just like, nice, out the bag. But I couldn't wear her out the bag. Couldn't wear her out the bag. She needs a part. She needs to be fully dry. She needs to be straightened. And I don't know if the time is going to time. So, we'll see. Next. Ordered me some lashes. Now, them lashes here, not my style. Not my style, not my style. They're cute for somebody, but they're gonna go on me today. I'm not sure if they're cute for me just quite yet, but we'll see. Let's test them out. To prep my lash, because this is like way long and I don't like the layers. This is like a very long piece right on the inside. I don't like that, so I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut the end here. I'm gonna measure. Still a little long. So I like how this kind of comes in blocks. The problem is sometimes I cut off a block and then it's too short. But I'm gonna do it anyways because I actually rather it shorter than longer. So this is what I'm left with. Let's see how she looks. Not sold. But comparing, that's me to the original. Oh, perfect. Difference, right? Let's see. Okay. So, it doesn't look terrible, but they are a little short. I like for my lash to come in to here. I don't like that it's so short, but I put the little black line to kind of give it the look. So this is how it turned out. It is a little bit more bold. It's a little bit more bright. No, it's a little more bold. It's a little bit more long. But, Crystal?
They don't look terrible.
They don't look terrible.
No. Yeah.
Occasion based.
Yes, exactly.
I wouldn't wear this every day. Right. I wouldn't wear this every day. But it can go on with a thing. I think I'm going to stick to the basics for this lip here today. No, I want a red lip. I don't like to do a bold lash on a red lip.
It's too much.
It's too much for me. I forgot. Ugh. This is the wig. put her, where I want to put her prayer. Okay. I'm gonna straighten it the best way I can. Best way I can. Might have to go with a little kinky yaki type of blowout. Okay. This hair is pretty cool because I won't be plucking this and it doesn't look that bad. So, let's see. Is my mom in here?
1 hour later.
This is the after. I wish I had my nails done, but it's alright. This new wig is doing what it's supposed to do. Merry Christmas.
Thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. This was my Christmas look. This is a little bit of a behind the scene. Don't forget to subscribe, stay with me, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Pick up all my real ones you've done me so well. Until next time, it's